Reversing a video on CapCut is a simple process that can be accomplished with just a few steps. Ensure you follow along until the end to grasp every detail. To start, open the CapCut application on your device. Once launched, create or select a new project. Now locate the video file that you wish to reverse within your project library. Select the video you want to reverse by clicking on it. This action will prompt a pop-up menu to appear at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the options in the pop-up menu until you find the reverse option. It should be positioned between copy and freeze. Click on the reverse button to initiate the reversal process. Note that depending on the duration of your video, the time taken to reverse it may vary. After clicking on reverse, the application will begin reversing your video. Be patient, as longer videos may take more time to reverse than shorter ones. Once the reversal process is complete, your video will now play in reverse. To undo the reversal, simply repeat the process and click on the reverse button again. That's it. You've successfully reversed your video using CapCut. Feel free to experiment further with other editing options offered by the application.